It's a clever little thing. So, today's plan, blacking out all the stomach, and the belly, and the chest, and the neck, and the nipples.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we pulled all these lines last time, one day, one take. It was a little torture. I gave him the job to shave nipples himself. So I think that's the worst if a man hurts a man's nipple. That's a bit weird, isn't it? That's like attacking areas you shouldn't. Oh, you pulled it.
No, just at the end of the plastic.
Oh.
Get a tweezer and tweeze more like that.
You're having all that.
I'll do it.
Yeah, this big.
And then what we're going to use will be blackout, world famous. Yeah, blackout.
That'll do. You don't want to irritate the skin too much.
And then machine wise, I got the new Stigma Chroma, then I have Stigma Force, and then I have 23 mag for the bigs, and we got 15 mag for small areas, and then I put some 9 round shaders for really small corners. I always have multiple ink caps just in case. These are gonna start, and then once these are like fucked up, gotta jump on these too. Always the cream. The cream what we use supposedly has some numbing features inside, so it kind of makes people's lives easier. And they do say that it's easier for them to get through the day. Look at that. This is what we call love.
I'm not going up getting parts.
What are you doing? Squeezing out?
No, there.
There's some one or two tiny ones still behind.
She's a perfectionist, that's the thing.
Problem.
That'll be sound. So, how's the pain?
On a scale of 1 to 10, pretty much this area, solid 5. As soon as we got up to these areas, creeped up to about a 10. Lower area was about a 3, and then the belly button, honestly, it just tickled so much. It was a weird feeling.
You're gonna call it a day today?
Yeah, I gotta call it a day today.
So this can actually heal.
Yeah.
Chill and have some day off.
Yeah, very much.
Have a day for himself. Do you shave your legs already? No?
No.
Oh yeah.
Triple R.
Unlucky.
Alright. I don't like this. I've never been on the non-recording end.
Where do you want me?
You find out, you just sort of...
Do you want to do thigh or calf first?
Would you prefer to be on your front or back first?
Either right now.
Maybe you can take the mic if you lift your head. Because all of us, we speak quite loud and that.
I'm really quiet, can't understand a thing.
So do you want to do calf?
I think, yeah, we'll get that out of the way so then you're not lying on both of them as well. Right, I think I might just pop it like underneath it at an angle a bit.
Yeah, so.
A bit ASMR in there. Just kidding. I like straighten my back up now.
Yeah, go back into freak mode. This is how you get done. Busy. That's the real life behind the scenes.
I feel like I need to start doing what like Eva does where she just sits on the floor the whole time.
I do that sometimes. Well, not all the time, but like a lot.
I just don't really trust Joe's mopping skills if I'm honest. Lol.
Go behind.
Okay, but it's
Oh, yeah,
it's going to sound really not new, but I thought it would like...
Yeah.
I don't know how that would work.
It only picks up the text.
Ah, blah, 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 blah.
What else we got? We got some rubs, which is... I think that's my favourite one. Like, every time I think
That
about
is
you, literally, it's in my head.
That was Liv that did that one.
Yeah.
That is so
That
cool.
was the beginning.
I saw that one on his Pinterest board and I really wanted to do that. He's already got it. We could do a match on
You're
the
5
other
steps
side.
ahead of it. I was better, bro. This one. My brother-in-law has the same one here.
Yeah?
Which one?
The Simpsons one.
Ah,
No one can use you.
you're not useless. Don't worry.
Well, thanks.
Can't actually talk while doing this, I'm afraid.
The tense moment.
Okay, breathe.
I do that. I think that sometimes. Like, I'm standing here with a piece of paper. But like, where is it gonna land? It'll be there for the next 80 years.
Yeah.
Like, wherever I land that
I don't
paper,
like thinking
that
of it
moment,
like that. I hate the fact that it's on people
it'll be
forever.
there 80 years. At that angle, that moment, that, because I put it there now. That's it. So make sure you line that writing with something small, thin, yeah?
Yeah, I was planning to.
Where does it come from? Is that a thing or?
Stuff I found online.
Down.
So then my disposable income, I like it, I get it.
Super deep meaning.
Pinterest. It was pretty cool with the like Grim Reaper though.
So you're gonna line that first, yeah? Oh yeah, Grim Reaper and that guy there.
Nice. Right, check it out. Not that you can see it at all.
You can almost see.
Oh, it like deforms when you bend your leg.
Oh no. Oh, sorry.
Strip it. Yeah, no drawers.
Come on.
Drop them drawers, boy. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
So it's going to be like that.
You know when you get hammered?
Yes.
That joke.
I say on the side of the foot.
Oh, I think it's quite cute though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what I meant. See, I'm fuzzy.
I
What
quite
would you say
like
then
that.
if you meant that?
I said after, then I said, what about later?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Shave the area for nothing. You'll be chasing areas and then your leg will be like...
Hair's like that.
What's that? Also raccoon. Huh?
Yeah, one on the side. That one's playing
yeah.
drums on dins, that one's playing guitar on the roof.
As it is.
Standard.
It looks lovely.
I thought that's why you got a beard. I thought you just got a flavour saver. No, I've also got like a high chair I put in.
Okay, that's a different conversation from another day. I'm joking. Please no, I'm joking.
Oh, I don't know that you're joking.
So you're more likely to do that than him?
What, get put on my chair?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cookies! It's not personal.
none of this footage is going to be able to use.
If it sounds it like, but sure.
Right. Oh.
What goes where?
So we're going to do dice there. There was a shark coming around here. Good news.
Nice.
Way too giggly.
George's sock, his ankle part on his heel.
Yeah, I know.
Poor lad, they're bullying you all the time.
I know. This is why I come and get tattooed just so I can feel something.
That's dope.
They're so high up.
I think it's because they're a bit big, you simple thought.
These socks are too
Do you think?
Why don't you buy socks the right size?
Because they don't do me size. You know, because they're small.
Is it size 8?
Do you know what I'm
Now you can say fuck it. Sharky.
Actually getting backwork stuff started. Because you were saying it's weapons for you.
I'm actually so excited.
I'm so excited.
Go intense.
That's so cute.
Okay.
It's got like
Just
a little
eyes.
face.
Nice, yeah.
Some gills.
I feel like that fits so perfectly though. Fucking love it. Yeah. I actually can't get over it. It's so cute. I think that's actually the best tattoo I've ever done as well. That's so cool. How are they?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Yeah, all good.
See how bad the back. Nice.